The Oukitel WP58 Pro is a 5G mid-range rugged phone that Oukitel may announce very soon, most likely next month. The device hasn't been officially confirmed by Oukitel yet, but according to rumors from legit sources, the Oukitel WP58 Pro would officially launch very soon. If you look closely at the device, you realize that it looks a lot like the Unihertz Tank 2, and I think this is the first Oukitel device with a dual camping light. There are some rumors or kind of like leaked specs of this device. I cannot confirm if they are, accurate or not, because as I mentioned earlier, it hasn't been officially announced or released yet. So these specs may not be entirely correct. But according to online legit sources, these are the top specs of the Oukitel WP58 Pro. So there you have it, guys, the Oukitel WP58 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, the specs may not be entirely correct, so make sure to take them with a pinch of salt. And the device may likely launch in October, as I said earlier. And it's, of course, since it's an Oukitel rugged phone, it's expected to be very affordable as well. Anyway, if I get more details about the Oukitel WP58 Pro from the official source, that is from Oukitel, I'll definitely let you guys know. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. That's it for the video. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.